Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your store URL or how to see your store. So the easiest way to do this is under the sales channel, you click on online store. Then you want to go to the pages underneath it and then you see the pages that you created. You just want to hover on the right hand side of the screen. You want to click on view page and this is going to lead us to the page that we created. The other way to do this, at the beginning of creating your store, you have to name it something. We use that name .myshopify.com. So we open up a new tab and then we type the store name. As you can see, .myshopify.com, and you want to press enter and this will directly lead you to your store. Everything works like it should, and once you are here, you should have the overview of your store and what you did. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.